Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. A lot of times custody issues involve child protective services. Sometimes they come about because somebody who is trying to get custody calls CPS, Child Protective Services, on the other parent. And they'll file a motion and they'll say, CPS has been to the house multiple times and they have found problems. And the judge will always say, yeah? How did CPS know to come to that? Did you call CPS on your ex? You know, that kind of thing. And it doesn't always play well if you're tattletaling on CPS. On the other hand, if you're alleging abuse, if you're alleging that your child's being neglected, the first thing the court will say is, yeah, neglected? Did you call CPS? So you got to realize that that is what's going to go on. There's that sort of that give and take kind of tit for tat kind of thing. If this happens, then you can expect that to happen. That's just the nature of the family courts. That's just the way how custody works with respect to CPS. Should you hire an attorney if the other side has called CPS on you? Different people have different opinions about this. If you call and ask that question to an attorney, should I hire you because CPS is at my door? The attorney's probably not going to say, no, you shouldn't hire me. I mean, you're calling that attorney because presumably you want that attorney's assistance. But whether or not you need it is a different story. Generally speaking, here at our firm, from our firm's culture, we feel that, yeah, it's great for people to hire you because that's how you keep the lights on. But the truth of the matter is, it's not always in everybody's best interest, not always right away. Sometimes hiring people and getting lawyers involved too early escalates matters. Sometimes it helps matters. It's just going to depend on what the exact situation is. I would tell people, if your ex has called CPS on you and you have a nice household, a clean household, there's nothing going on, there's no abuse going on, what do you care? Let them find whatever they find and write back, we have done a check and we have found no evidence of anything at all. That's only going to help you in the future. You could use that report later on when they do it again to you. And then you can go before the court and say, look, Your Honor, they called CPS on me 12 times and they've never found anything. And you can say that you're being harassed and you can say that you want a modification in the custody and the parenting time because of this. You can do that. I would tell people that you shouldn't be getting lawyers involved. If there's nothing to hide, CPS can come in, let them do an inspection at a convenient time for you. What's the big deal? I would say the time to hire an attorney is if there is CPS action that's being taken against you in the negative way, like they're trying to remove a child from your house. Of course, it goes without saying you should get a lawyer for that. I would also say that if there's been multiple times when CPS come to your house and found nothing objectionable, you should hire an attorney not to deal with CPS so much as to file appropriate motions against the other side for constantly harassing you with the threats of CPS. If you have any questions about your particular case, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.